Hey folks, I just thought I'd shoot y'all a quick shop update because it's been a while. Been a busy week. As you can see, my chip bucket's full. That's always a good thing. Really enjoying the Tormach. I've got it to seize out on joint 0, which in Linux CNC is the x-axis. So I've had that happen twice under feed moves while cutting. Not it's it can rapid no problem at 100 whatever inches a minute, but a 60 inch per minute cut move and it's like, oh nope, we're done. So I have to dig into that a little bit. Plus the Z axis is nodding a little bit. It's binding and you can see it, especially whenever using the Heimer trying to set Z. I tend to go past Z and then back up because that's more consistent instead of trying to go down. As you see, I got my Vise mounted with soft jaws and the on a pallet, on one of Pearson's pallets. That's what I needed to do to get some production run done. My trusty rusty lathe back there. More Pearson pallets and fixtures that I made for running this. I started prototype. As you can see, it was a 2-piece bolt together deal. Then I went to 1 piece. Then I had a piece of scrap. I got a pretty good run here out. These are finished prototypes that I'm working on. Get up in there. These are for Air Force air rifles. Of course, I got some pick rails. That's what I was doing today in the Vise. I shot some of that on Instagram. So yeah, you got an Air Force air rifle. If not, you want one, and then you want my stuff on it. I'm going to get those finished and see what goes on in my little temporary powder coating area. And the complete mess that is my shop, don't mind, because I'm only here for a little while longer. I've got a new shop coming. Matter of fact, I was just quoting out the concrete work, and $5 grand worth of concrete work. But I want it to be scalable, so that's part of it. Getting out of this house, getting out of this side of Tennessee, still be in Tennessee, but on the other side, on the up close to the mountains in eastern Tennessee, getting back home. It's a lot nicer out there. West Tennessee, while nice enough, but if you don't like corn or cotton, yeah, there's better places to be. With the new shop, I am going to change the layout a good bit. As you see, I got pegboard, an impromptu desk that was a workbench, toolbox. This has my tooling and some bolts and stuff in it. What I'm going for, I'll put I'll jump into Fusion here, and show a quick rundown of what I have planned for the future shop. But I want mill. I'm fine with the lathe being convenient to the mill, so I can run it while running that. But back here, if you notice other people's shop, the pros, they tend to have a table right here, workbench, desk, whatever you want to call it. Place to stage stock and parts in progress instead of way over here. It just makes it a lot more convenient. It's a lot less walking you got to do. So that's all cool. Going to do that, get it laid out better. More storage, getting rid of a bunch of this junk because that's what most of it is. I got a Kitamura spindle drive, motor. You need a Kitamura My Center 0. Let her go cheap. She don't run, so that's why it's cheap. If not, I'm gonna pot her out and keep the parts I do want. That's pretty much it. But yeah, I'll have some more coming on the new shop. It's little things in life like better AC. Finding a better spot for an air compressor. Well, I need a bigger air compressor. Fortunately, out there, I have a connection with the Ingersoll Rand distributor, and they're happy to charge me like they do everybody else, so connection or not. Anyway, I'm going to have a cold adult beverage, and that's about it. I'm going to piddle around here for the rest of the evening, and tomorrow is football Sunday, so may all your picks win. Yeah, y'all have a good one. Bye.